Good morning students. Now today we will study our first chapter in physics, which is matter. Okay, matter you all have already studied from 6th onward. So many of the things you know about this chapter. Okay, it is not a new chapter for you all, but still there are many new terms added to this chapter. So let us start and listen the video throughout, and then if any problem you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, so our first chapter is matter. Okay, so what is matter? Matter is anything which occupies space and has mass is known as matter. Okay, anything which occupies space and has mass is known as matter. This definition you all have studied from 6th onwards, so you all very much aware and very much known to this definition. Okay, anything which occupies space and has mass is known as matter. Okay, after this total there are 118 elements, 118 element discovered so far. Okay, total 118 element discovered so far, and still some scientists are still involved in the discoveries, so that they can find if there exists few more elements, so they can find. But till now we know only 118 elements which are discovered so far. Okay, we all know that, we all have heard the name of Maharishi Kanad. Okay, Maharishi Kanad. Maharishi Kanad is the Indian philosopher. Maharishi Kanad is an Indian philosopher who has discovered, who has told us, who has given a theory that every element is everything, every matter is actually made up of 5 bhutas. 5 bhutas. Every element is made up of 5 bhutas. What are they? The first one is AP. AP, AP. AP means water. Okay. The second one is AP means water. Okay. Second one is Vayu. Vayu means air. The third one is AP, Vayu, Sheti. Sheti means earth. Okay, earth means that soil and all. Okay, then AP, Vayu, Sheti. Then we have Tejas. Tejas. Tejas means fire, I think. Tejas means fire. Okay. And Akash. Fifth one is Akash. Akash means, we all know that Akash means what? Akash means sky. Okay, Akash means sky. So these are the 5 bhutas given by the Indian philosopher Maharishi Kanad in his theory that every element is actually made up of 5 bhutas. What are they? AP means water. Then Vayu means air. Sheti means earth. Then Tejas means fire, and Akash means sky. Okay, so now what is an element? The question arises, what is an element? So element is, what is an element? So element is defined as, element is defined as substance which cannot be subdivided into more simpler substance. Substance which cannot subdivided into more simpler substance, which cannot divided into more simpler substance. more simpler substance by any chemical means, okay, is known as element. So what is an element? Element means any states of matter, anything which cannot be further subdivided into more simpler substance is by any chemical means is known as element. For example we will have hydrogen, helium, lithium, carbon, okay, silicon and all like these. All these are the element. So element you are also have studied, but still I am telling you that element is matter, that states of matter which cannot be further subdivided into any simpler substance by any chemical means. For example, we have hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. All these are the element. After this element, so we will study about atoms and molecules. So what are atoms and molecules? Actually, atom and molecules are very small finer particles by which element is made up of. That atoms is very small finer particles by which it is made up of. See here it is written, atom is defined as the smallest unit of element. Okay, atom is an smallest unit of element. It is an smallest unit of element. Okay, it is an smallest unit of element which may or may not have independent existence. Which may or may not have independent existence. Is called atom. Okay, so what is an atom? Atom is smallest unit of element. It is the smallest unit of element which may or may not have independent existence. Whereas molecules is also a smallest unit of element, but it has independent existence of Okay, this is the difference between atom and molecules. So by giving example, I want to tell you the difference between atom and molecules. Suppose this is a chalk and consider it as an element. So this is an element. For example, we have carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, consider it among them. Okay, so chalk is an element. When we take a brick, if we have taken a brick and we will scratch it, okay, then what happens? It will turn into a very finer particles. Okay, very fine particles. Okay, then what happens? Those finer particles which now cannot be further subdivided are known as atom. एटम किसको बोलते हैं? हमने जैसे एक चौक को लिया, एक ईंटे से इसको हमने खूब क्या कर दिया? कुचल दिया। कुचलने के बाद इसको खूब पीस दिया। पीसने के बाद इतने छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स बन जाएंगे पाउडरी फॉर्म में कि उसको हम अब चाहे जितना ईंटे से कुचले, अब उसमें क्या है, और वो नहीं टूट रहे हैं। तो जो एकदम फाइनर पार्टिकल्स होते हैं जो और नहीं टूटते हैं, उसमें से कोई एक कण उठा लो तो वो एटम है। कोई एक, पूरे पाउडर में से कोई एक कण हमने उठा लिया तो वो क्या है? एटम है। दैट इज द एटम, वेरी स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल विच कैन नॉट बी फर्दर सबडिवाइडेड। ठीक है, वो अब और ईंटे से हम उसको कूटेंगे तो वो क्या होगा? वो और नहीं टूट रहा है। ओके, सो दैट इज द एटम, वेरी स्मॉल फाइनेस्ट पार्टिकल। ओके, एंड व्हाट इज एन मॉलिक्यूल? व्हाट इज एन मॉलिक्यूल? मॉलिक्यूल इज एक्चुअली those finer particles, 3-4 finer particles when come together will form a molecule. Those 3-4 finer particles will come together will form a molecules. Okay, like okay, H2, C2, hydrogen, carbon, okay, N2, nitrogen. So these are the two molecules of nitrogen, two molecules of carbon, two molecules of hydrogen. That means what happens? Those two atoms, those two finer particles कम टूगेदर एंड फॉर्म एन मॉलिक्यूल्स। ओके, तो वही जो हमने चौक का एग्जांपल दिया था, उसमें से जो हम एक कण जब एकदम पीस लेते हैं, जब और वो ना टूटे, उससे एक कण हमने निकाला, तो वो एक कण जो और नहीं टूट पा रहा है वो क्या है? एटम है। और उसी तरीके से तीन चार कण को हम ले लें और मिला दें तो वो मॉलिक्यूल्स है. दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एटम एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स. ओके, सो नाउ आई थिंक इट इज वेरी क्लियर फॉर यू ऑल to know the difference between atom and molecules, and both are the part of an element. Okay, hydrogen is actually an element. Okay, but it is made up of atoms and molecules. Atoms mean only one fine particles, and collection of those fine particles is molecules. Molecules have independent existence. Atoms have may be it exists independently or may not. Okay, so this is the difference between atoms and molecules, and about element I have told you. Okay, so now we have to study about kinetic theory. Okay, kinetic theory of matter. So there are 5-6 kinetic theory. First one is molecules are in state of continuous motion. Okay, which does not stop over any length of time. So these molecules are always in a continuous random motion. Okay, it is always in a state of continuous random motion. Okay, so because of that kinetic energy pauses. Okay, second point is the kinetic energy of the molecules increases with the increase in temperature. If we increase the temperature, what happens? The kinetic energy of the molecules should be increased. Okay, and if we decrease the temperature, the kinetic energy should get decreased. The molecules always attract each other. Molecules always attract each other to because of the force of attraction. Okay, that you all have already known. Okay, you all have already studied that the force of attraction between the particles always led them to join together. Okay, but the force of attraction between similar kind of atoms are known as cohesion force, and the force of attraction between different kind of elements are known as adhesion force. Okay, the empty space between the molecules is intermolecular space, that you all know. Okay, force is force of attraction, and the intermolecular force of attraction increases if the space between the molecules gets decreased. Okay, so these are the 6 theories written in the book. Okay, so you all have to read this theory, very important theory, kinetic theory, and if any problem you can ask me. Rest of the things we will take up in our next video. Hopefully the difference between atom and molecules, kinetic theories, what is matter, Maharishi Kanat's theories and all is clearly explained to you all, and if still you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box or via WhatsApp. Thank you.